This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Help your knight get all of the flags. To do this, you'll need to add events to help the knight move up, down, left, and right. Alright, and remember what an event is. Use the green drop arrow to change directions. Okay. An event is this green stuff. Right? So when I click run, our dragon says good afternoon automatically. An event is what occurs when you do something. So if I click here, I move that way. An event are these green things. All right, so we need a new event. To do this, you'll need to add events to help the knight move up and right. Move up, down, left, right. Okay, well, we got right and we got left. All right, we did that earlier. So hopefully you already have those covered too. So now we need to do up and down. Well, when up, right? When I click up, what do I want? I want the knight to move up. Oh, there it is. Move up. So on the event that I click the up arrow, I move up. Let's test this. Boop, boop. You can also use your keyboard. Okay, so that's one of them, but we still need down, right? Up, down, left, right. Okay. So when I click down, I want to move down. Let's give that a shot. Up, right. Okay, help get all the flags. Oh, gotcha. 1 flag. 2. And 3. Haha, we did it. Events are really important in coding, in app design, game making, everything really. Awesome. Let's keep going.